Hello everyone, and hope you are doing all awesome today. So today I have a technical video for you, and it's about how you can check shutter count of your DSLR camera, and we are gonna work specifically with Canon 700D. So to check this, check the shutter count of your DSLR camera, what you need is definitely your DSLR camera plus an AV output cable, and also a free software that is called free shutter count. And I'm gonna put the link of that software in the description of this video, where you can go and download it. It's completely free. And there is something I also like to tell you, is that when you search for how you can check the shutter count of your DSLR camera, you will find a lot of website where they will ask you to upload photos that you have taken with your DSLR camera to those websites, and they are going to tell you how much shutter count your camera actually have. But I have tried a few, but most of them doesn't actually work. So I would request you not to use those software, not to use those online services. Although they are called free, they most of the time they actually don't work. When you upload a photo, after a while they will the software will say that they don't have enough data to give you the proper shutter count of your DSLR camera. So that's a waste of time. So don't do that. I use a Mac, so I will be working with the software that is working for Mac. I will also put the link to software that you can also use on your Windows based computer as well, to check the shutter count of your DSLR camera. Before we dive into the all technical part, there is something that I want to tell you about why you need to check shutter count. So shutter count, most of the time when you are buying a DSLR camera from someone else, like a second-hand DSLR camera, most of the time they actually don't have a cache memo, or there is actually no way to tell how many times or how much time that person has used that camera, right? So that puts a dilemma on the buyer. They actually are not sure like how much the person has used that camera. So for that reason you need to check shutter count. So there are many videos where they tell you that you can check the shutter count on your mobile using your camera and all, using your mobile and mobile apps and all that, but most of the time it actually doesn't work, sorry to say. And the ones that actually work, you have to have a Wi-Fi enabled DSLR camera, which most of the cameras have right now, and that process is a bit lengthy. But on my 700D, unfortunately I don't have that Wi-Fi option available, so I will be using an AV output cable to connect that DSLR camera to my computer, and I am going to use that free software to check easily how much shutter count my DSLR camera has. So let's do this. So as I've told you already, to check the shutter count of any DSLR camera, all you need is this AV cable, your camera definitely, and this software called free shutter counter. Go to the description of this video. I have already mentioned the link from where you can download it. It's completely free. Don't go for the paid ones that is available on the App Store. This one is completely free, and this one is really easy. So first of all you need to do is that connect this AV cable in your DSLR camera. So when you're buying your camera, do remember to have this AV cable. It costs a bit, it is a bit expensive, the good ones. So when you are buying a second-hand DSLR camera, or first-hand cameras will definitely have this cable available on the packet, but when you are buying a second-hand DSLR camera, always remember to get this get this AV cable, or ask for this AV cable from the seller, because without it you can't connect your DSLR camera with computer, you can't upgrade your firmware. So it is very important, so get this one, right? So let me connect this cable with my DSLR camera. So on 700D, on the left side of the camera you will have two port sections here. This one is for mic and audio functionality, and here it has HDMI and AVI option, right? And we are going to use this AVI option to connect the AVI cable. So let me connect it. Okay, connected, and now I have to connect this DSLR into my Mac using this USB cable. Okay, done. So how do you know that the camera has been connected with your Mac? Generally, when you click the menu option, it works, right? But when it is connected with the laptop, it generally won't work. The menu function will not appear, right? So now you are sure that that your DSLR has been connected with your Mac. So this is the software that we are going to use, which is called Free Shutter Count. It is a free software, and the URL is this one: orlv.github.io fresh shutter counter. So I have, as you have seen, as I've told you already, I have searched for online shutter count softwares, and they actually don't work. Waste of time. So this is the software website. I'm gonna put this link on the description of this video. Go and download it first. Before, and there is something that when you get this software, right, when you get this software, first time when you are opening it, Mac will say that it is not allowed to open this software because this software is not validated by their developer or the App Store, and it is made by developer who are working outside of Mac App Store, so it's not allowed. So if this happens, it will happen generally. All you need to do is that go to your Mac option and system preference. From here you will come to security and privacy, right? In security and privacy, you will see in this section it will say that do you want to run this app or not. All you have to do is that run any, there will be an option called run anyway or use it, something like that, I forgot. So all you have to do is that click the lock option, put the password and run it, and from here there will be option bar, there will be a button here. So I have already done it, so I am not to do it again. If you have any problem, definitely comment down below and I'll help you, not to worry. I always try my best to help my viewers. So if you have any problem, just comment below and I'll help you. So click that button, and then the software will run. If not, then go to app, then go to, or if not, then go to Launchpad, click free shutter count, and this one, free shutter count, and when you click it, this option will appear, right? So now you see that my DSLR is connected and it is saying Canon EOS 700D. Let's get the shutter count once again, and it is saying 20,345. So that's about it. That's how you get the shutter count information from any DSLR. I hope you have found this video helpful. If my video helped, please don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and definitely subscribe to my channel. So that's about it. Thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next one. Until then, take care.